Hello, crypto smart investors. So, for all the NFT enthusiasts, I'm just going to be showing us how to create our first NFT on Gate.io platform. Wow, is that not super crazy? Now, for those of us that are just starting out, Gate.io is one of the top crypto exchanges, and it also offers you NFT marketplace, the Gate.io magic box. We've actually created a video before now on how to buy and sell your NFT on Gate.io magic box. Go ahead to check it out right away. If you are just starting out, go ahead to sign up on Gate.io. The link to sign up is in the description box. So after logging in, you head straight to NFT box, then go to my assets. So the NFT that I've bought will be in my assets. So while it opens, you'll be able to see create NFTs. All right, so this is the NFT that I've actually bought before, so I listed it. All right, then hit on create NFTs. So once create NFT is activated, you notice that you'll be able to first of all be asked to create a collection, because you cannot go ahead to create an NFT without having a collection in place. Is that all right? Now we've actually created videos on how to use OpenSea, how to create NFTs on OpenSea, the most expensive NFTs on OpenSea. Go ahead to check our NFTs playlist and you'll be able to see tons of video that will be of guide to you. So click on create collection. So in creating collection, we are going to give our collection a name. So please enter name of collection. So I'm just going to enter the name. So what should we name it now? Wild. So after entering the name, so category of the collection, you decide the category. So what category should we place it in? Is it collectibles? So let's just put it in collectibles. If it's art, if it is music, you add it up accordingly. So here you are supposed to create a logo for your collection. You also provide a cover for your collection as well as a banner for your collection. So before this video, I've actually gone ahead to create all this, paying attention to these dimensions mentioned. So whenever as I'm picking it, everything has been as specified in these dimensions. So for the logo is 350 by 350. So to show you how to create the logo is beyond the scope of this video. So there are whole tons of videos that you can watch to probably resize images accordingly. So this is the logo. I've actually named it accordingly. So I'll just select it and hit open. So the software I actually use is the Photoshop. Is that right? So after I've uploaded the logo, I go ahead to upload the cover. All right, so I've actually done everything and it's easier now. Don't just upload any picture. All right, make sure that the picture that you're uploading is your picture. All right, so I go ahead to upload the banner. So I hit open. Is all right. So all these ones are actually optional. So, but to make your collection rich, you must make sure that you perform all these steps. Very important. Collection description. What should we use now? Let's just quickly describe it and we'll be back in a jiffy. So I just enter a brief description and I go ahead to where it says related links optional. So I don't have a related link for now, but you can add any of these, either Medium, Twitter, Instagram, or your site. So when you add external links, it kind of gives you some credibility. So the chain here is the gate chain. All right, so if you're actually minting or creating any of these NFTs on OpenSea, then you'll be asked to either select Ethereum, Polygon, or what have you. So copyright royalty optional. So the tax rate is the percentage of the fee charged by other users when reselling your creation. So this tax rate is like a royalty that you get once or for every time this particular item is sold. So the highest it can ever go is 10. So I just go with that 10. Alright, so user limit, the maximum number of assets that a single user can purchase for this portfolio. No. So yes. Please enter the number of copies to be purchased. Maximum number of copies that can ever be purchased is 5. So I go ahead and confirm and create. So created successfully. Alright, so it's actually something very easy. The walkthrough is very easy. Now look at what we've done. Everything is intact here. Alright, so we just created it, apply for official certification. Alright, so let us just apply for official certification. Let's see. It's not taking me out here. Find and create your own digital assets. Okay, what's your project name? Please provide a link to your project collection. Please provide contact your project. Alright, maybe we just have to fill up this eventually once we are through, so that it will be official. Is that right? So applying for digital certification, so you just have to answer all the submitted collection does not involve the payment of dividends. Okay, so after you're through with this, you submit, but that is not what you want to do in this video. Alright, so I go ahead to do what? Hit on create NFT. Okay, so in creating NFT, you have to create collection first. Then after collection, you now go ahead to create the NFT. So work name, what's the name of the work? Alright, Wild African. Alright, so after you are through, you can go ahead to upload image. So click upload, support JPG. So these are the 5 types that are supported. So I click on it, and I think I should just use this as the NFT, or should I use this 350 by 350? Okay, let me just use this as the NFT. Okay, work attributes optional. So what are the work attributes? So here you can define attributes. Alright, so example scene, example seashore, but there are no attributes, so I'll just close this. Then what next? Work description optional. Okay, so this is just for educational purposes. So if you be creating yours, make sure it is well detailed. Unlockable optional. The work is available to its owner only. Okay, so copyright optional. So allow copies. So how many copies of this can you create? The hard cap is the upper limit of the minting. That is the total supply of the artworks. So multiple copy creation service fee 0. So let me just say 50 of this. Wow. So if you are creating 50 of this, you'll be paying $25 USDT as the minting fee. So let's say 5, I'm paying 2 USDT. Okay, all right, so I think I have some USDT in my wallet. Okay, so what if you're creating 1, 0 USDT, 2, 0.5 USDT, 4, 1.5 USDT. All right, so let's just go with 4, 1.5 USDT, or 3. Let's just go with 3. Okay, so the first one you're minting is, you're not being charged for it, but for every 2 that you mint, you'll be charged for it. Copyright royalty option. So this one will define it before now. Okay, so hope you understand what is going on here. We are in create works, so mint works, then finish. So you give it a name, assign it to a collection, already or have only one collection, add a picture of the NFT, work description, then the hard cap. The highest that can ever be minted for this particular NFT is 3. So the minting fee increases as the number of items I want to mint increases. So in fact, for OpenSea, the gas fee or the minting fee can be as high to tens of dollars to several hundreds of dollars. It can be that crazy. So you hit on next. So tip, please confirm that you have the copyright to the work. Yes, I have the copyright to the work. If the work is not your original work after community review, your ability to create and list works will be limited. In the case of serious infringement or fraud, it will be prohibited from displaying. Okay, Gate.io. So this is serious, interesting notice. You have to make sure that you follow all the steps and abide by the rules. So I hereby confirm that. All right, so this actually belongs to me. So whatever you're uploading, make sure it rightly belongs to you, or you have the right to publish to resell it. So confirm. Alright, so once we hit on confirm, what does it say? So it comes to mint work. So finish creating work. So mint work total is this. So minting available is this. Choose a platform and network to mint. So the only platform is Gate NFT. Then I have to mint now. Actually, I want to mint now. Alright, so but you can decide to mint later. So fund password. Nothing happens on gate.io that I don't provide fund password. So just hit on submit and it should go through. Alright, updates. There's no update for now. So submitted for minting. It is expected to be completed in 5 to 10 minutes. You can check the status in the asset details section. So this is how we're able to create our first NFT on gate.io. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. If you are just starting out on gate.io, use the link in the description to register. After registering, complete your KYC and welcome to the new world. Support our channel by smashing that subscribe button. Also like and share this video. Alright, so it is minting. So after minting, I can list it for sale. Then I can assign costs to it. Alright, so I don't know. I just have to end this video now. Peace out.